Let us solve question number 41, student. The number of atoms present in 1 mole of nitrogen atom are. 1 mole of nitrogen atom means that is Avogadro number, student. So that is already this oral problem. So number of atoms present in 1 mole of nitrogen atom is 4 options they have given. That is third option is correct, student. But let us solve on the board, student, also. So what they are saying is, student, if you check out, that is they are saying that is the number of atoms present in 1 mole. Number of moles they have given. Number of moles they have given. How much given? Number of moles of nitrogen. Okay. What is their number of moles of atom present in 1 mole of nitrogen atom? Nitrogen atom they are talking about. How much 1 mole they are saying, student? 1 mole. Okay. So what they are asking in this problem, if we talk about, if they are asking number of atoms. So number of atoms they are asking. This is very simple, student. That is number of atom n equal to formula I already told you, is small n into Na. Okay, this is our formula. Of this already we know. This is what, student? This is Avogadro number. Avogadro number. Okay, Avogadro number values you already 6.022 into 10 power 23. That value you already know. Now another things, when you are talking about another things, small n is number of mole. This is what, that is number of moles. And this one is capital N is number of atoms. So here you put the value, student. If you are for getting the answer, let us put the value, student. What the value you will be able to put? So small capital N they are asking, or small n they have given how many mole, student? 1 mole. And Avogadro number how much is there? So that is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, so that is small n, the number of atom if you are writing. So what we can here I am writing, student, because of a small board everything we cannot write. So number of atoms how much will come, student? That is 6.022 into 10 power 23. Okay, so correct option will be option number 3. Option number, which is option number, student? Option number 3 is correct option. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Now question number 42, student, you check out. B has 2 isotopes. Okay, B means boron has 2 isotopes. Boron, that is mass number 10, 19% available, and boron 11 isotope available, 81%. The atomic mass of B is, they have given option, student, 10.81, 11.5, 11 and 10.5. So let us check out the answers, student, for the question number 42 on the board. So here you come on the board, student. So this is the very simple also. This problem is again simple. 42. So student, that is percentage abundance they have given. So that is we have to calculate the average atomic mass. So that is average atomic mass. So average atomic mass is equal to what? Percentage abundance. How much percentage is found in the nature, multiply by mass of isotope. Then again what is the second isotope is there, student? That is 2 isotopes they have given. So that is for second case will be, that is positive. So again percentage abundance for the second one, percentage abundance of multiply by, okay, mass. Okay, mass of what, student? Mass of isotopes it will come. Okay, because of a small board, student, mass of isotopes. Okay, here is the mass of isotope divided by total, divided by how much, student? 100. So that is to boron they have given in the question already. How much there? Boron 2 isotope they are talking about. First isotope boron, that is 10, and it is how much, student? Boron 10, it is 19%. Okay, and that is again boron is there, this is 11, and this percentage is 81%. Okay, so you keep the value, student. So percentage abundance for the first isotope is 19% and atomic mass is 10, plus what is another percentage is there, 81%. Multiply by 81 directly, multiply by atomic mass 11, divided by what will come, student? This will come 100. Now you check it out, student. 190 plus how much if you multiply, student? It will come 891. Divided by 100. So how much total if you add at 0.81 divided by 100? So how much will come? 10.81. So 10.81 gram per mole. So option number, which number option is matching, student? Option number If we talk about option number 1, in the book options are wrong, student, so that we have to clarify the option number 1 is correct. Thank you so much for watching, students. Now let us see question number 43, student. That is also very easy problem they have given, direct formula they have given. Which of the following is octaatomic molecule? Okay, octaatomic: phosphorus, sulfur, and methane and oxygen. Okay, so they have given student octaatomic they are asking. So how many atomicity? It should be 8. Okay, in which case it is possible, student? Let us see on the board, student, for this problem. Okay, so what could be our answers that we are going to check out? 43. So see, student, 43. So 43, option 1 is the octaatomic. They are octaatomic. Octaatomic means, student, 8 atom in one molecule. 8 atoms in one molecule. This is meaning of the octaatomic is what, student? 8 atoms in one molecule. 8 atom in one molecule. That is meaning of this one. That which one contain, that is 8 atom in its one molecule. So that is first option they have given, phosphorus. Okay, so phosphorus exists. Phosphorus, if we talk about phosphorus, so phosphorus is speak, student, P4. So this is tetraatomic. If you talk about that, they are talking about sulfur. Sulfur exists, student, S8. S8 means what is, student? Octaatomic. So our answer is already there, direct option. This is the rhombic sulfur. This is also S8 is known as rhombic sulfur. So that is rhombic sulfur. You will study in the 12th standard, student, that is in the solid state. And next one is methane. They have given methane, that is this is also tetraatomic. Oxygen, this is the only possible if you talk about O2 and O3, triatomic and diatomic. So correct option will be option number 2, that is sulfur exists in the octaatomic. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Now let us take question number 44, student. Which of the following is pentaatomic molecule? Means in which is having 5 atoms. So phosphorus is there, sulfur, ethane and methane. So let us check with the option on the board, student, for the 44. Okay, so they are asking pentaatomic. In the question they have asked, student, what they have asked, that is pentaatomic. Which is pentaatomic? Pentaatomic, student, that meanings of pentaatomic means 5 atoms in molecule. 5 atoms in one molecule. One molecule should have how many atoms, student? 5 atoms. Student, when you are talking about phosphorus, they have given phosphorus. So phosphorus, how many that is? P4, that is the tetraatomic. Okay, if they have given sulfur, if you talk about, student, sulfur is just in the 2 form, student, that is what? S8 and S6. So it is octa and this is hexa. And if you talk about ethane, student, ethane, so that is, you check the atomicity ethane, that is C2H6. So how many are there, student? 8 octaatomic. And when you are talking about methane, student, you check in the methane. So methane formula how much, student? CH4. Okay, here a hydrogen. How many hydrogens are there? So total atom you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is 5 atoms. 5 atoms means what is pentaatomic? 5 atoms means, student, if we talk about there is 5 atoms in there in the methane, that is the pentaatomic. So correct option if you talk about pentaatomic, option number 4 is there, student, for methane. Thank you so much for watching, friends.